So here we have some, these looks like my Ozcube stickers, and these look like my Hulkstone stickers. I'm assuming this is a transfer paper, I don't know. New shades for my 2x2 because I wanted to, plus because Oz Nationals is coming up, so I really need to have my life in good order. Here are some Gans stickers, here are some Square One stickers. Anyway, let's get on to the first puzzle, which of course is the yuxinchain. Oh, that's pink. I don't know that was pink. I don't like pink.
$2,000 later.
The only other keychain that I know of in production is the Rubik's keychain. I don't even need to tell you how awful that is. Let's get into first turns on this. Oh, wow. That's actually really smooth. So it doesn't feel too much like my Yuxin Fire. I think it resembles more the Yuxin 3x3. But it's very smooth, apart from this flappy keychain. It's got a tiny bit of a bump to it. I don't know if you can hear. But it's very smooth. Whoa. Wow, this is great. I just want to test pops. Yes! Yes, because if I'm going to take this somewhere, I don't want people popping it out. So this is great. Here's the Shengshou Mega Mix, the new Aurora Mega Mix. Whoa! Let's start doing my own turns. Okay, so I am having a... It's definitely very smooth. I've heard that there's these subtle ridges. You can't notice them, but they do exist. I honestly cannot feel that, but apparently they're there. Here's the Dayan. They look like the same size. Wow, this is awful. This one's awful. The Dayan is awful. But this Shengshou just turns beautifully. It's really smooth. I did used to have an old Shengshou and I really liked that, but it broke. And I've never been satisfied with any Mega Minx since then. But this one is really nice. I will definitely be using this at Australian Nationals. And I'm not going to do a solve on the Mega Minx because I'm really slow at Mega Minx and you wouldn't want to watch that. But I'll do a last layer just so you can see how it turns. Last layer. Yep, this is really smooth and glidey. It just glides, and it's the right speed too. It's not doing a double flick or anything. Oh, I don't know why that is, but this blue side, this is actually turning terribly. Like, I'm really having to put, I'm guessing this is just really tight. Yeah, because this grey side, this is amazing. But this, oh, I feel like I'm turning a Rubik's. I don't know what's wrong with this. I might have to get back to you in a separate video or like a review or something. Yeah, everything's turning great except this blue just feels like, I don't know what's wrong with this. Anyway, thanks for watching. You can buy these in the description and I'll catch you next time. Bye.